Review Radar is the latest AI software making waves, and if you're here to learn more, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. And yes, you can try this software for completely free. Just hit the first link below to get started. So what's the hype all about? Why should you care about Review Radar? Let's dive into it, and I'll give you all the insights you need to make an informed decision. Stick around, because towards the end, I'll tell you why I think this software could change the way you approach AI in your business. First off, Review Radar brings an advanced set of AI-driven tools designed to simplify and streamline your review management processes. If you're struggling to get real-time feedback or need a system that tracks online reviews more effectively, this software is here to make that easier. It pulls reviews from all across the web into one intuitive dashboard so you can respond quickly and manage your brand's reputation efficiently. The second thing to know is how Review Radar takes the guesswork out of your customer feedback. The AI sentiment analysis helps you see what your customers are really saying, identifying positive and negative reviews in real time. It doesn't just give you the reviews. It translates them into actionable insights, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features? Automated responses. Review. Radar's AI doesn't just stop at analyzing your reviews, it helps craft responses as well. That means you can save hours a week by automating your responses to both positive and negative reviews. It ensures your brand stays active and engaged with customers without spending too much time on individual responses. Now let's talk integration. Review Radar works well with some of the most popular platforms, whether you're using Google My Business, Facebook, or other major review sites. This flexibility makes it easy for businesses to plug the software into their existing systems without disrupting their workflow. For anyone familiar with other review management tools, you'll find that Review Radar integrates seamlessly and provides a much more user-friendly interface. Another reason you should pay attention to Review Radar is its focus on local SEO. Online reviews are crucial for local businesses, and Review Radar is built with that in mind. It doesn't just aggregate reviews, it helps optimize them for search engines, which can give your business a significant SEO boost. Positive reviews don't just build trust, they help you rank better on Google, making it easier for new customers to find you. The sixth thing you need to know is how Review Radar makes it incredibly easy to track review trends over time. You can generate detailed reports that break down your review performance month by month. This is essential for businesses that want to stay ahead of their competitors and make data-driven decisions about how to improve their customer experience. Lastly, Review Radar offers incredible scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, this software can scale with your needs. As your review volume grows, Review Radar grows with you, ensuring you don't miss any critical feedback and can keep up with customer demands. Now, if you're still here, you're probably wondering whether Review Radar is the best choice for you. Well, after testing thousands of AI software solutions, I've found that Review Radar consistently stands out for its ease of use, advanced features, and potential to significantly improve your online reputation management. And again, the best part? You can try it completely free through the link below. If you're looking for a solid recommendation on AI software, I've got you covered. Check the description for my top picks, all available to try for free. After all, I've spent countless hours testing AI solutions, and I only share the best of what I find. Give Review Radar a shot and see how it can elevate your review management game today.